Hello, and thank you for considering Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley Lundy, and today I'm going to show you a quick tour of a 2014 Fleetwood Storm. This is the 32H floor plan, and it's one we don't see too often. We have beautiful full body paint on this one, really unique colors on the inside as well. Coming inside, you can see we have a black sofa across from a black booth. Both of these will turn into a bed. You also have flex steel front captain's chairs and TV up front. Real clean dash area. It gets really interesting though as you move back. You can see all the storage. You can see oven, microwave, propane gas stove, nice double sink, two-door fridge. And then you get back here where you have either bunk beds or a nice seating area, as well as a TV across so you can keep those kids occupied. This is also where the bathroom is, all contained in one unit, shower, sink, and toilet. Nice vanity mirror there. And then finally at the back, we have a walk-around queen-size bed and a nice large window in the back. This unit also has good storage options outside. It comes fully equipped and has less than 6,000 miles on it. If you have any interest in this one or another RV with us, please don't hesitate to stop on in and see us in Junction City, Oregon, or give me a call or a text. Again, my name is Ashley, and you can reach me directly at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching.